All right, so in this video, I want to quickly show you how to navigate through TradingView. Once you go to tradingview.com, you register with your email address and you go through it through the website, right? And then you download the app on your phone. Right, you download the app on your phone, but on your laptop you go through the website. That's how I do it. And then you come in and search for whatever symbol you are looking at or you are looking for. So here you have different symbols. So if you're looking for any one, you just search for stocks, futures, forex, so majorly forex pairs that you're searching for, and type in the symbol here. So let's look for AUD JPY. So with TradingView, there are different brokers there, but you don't place your trade on TradingView. You place it on MT4, which you've been taught how to do. But with TradingView, we use it to analyze. So you choose the broker you are working with, and you can use different brokers depending on what you're looking at. So this is a chart on TradingView. On this left side here, we have all the tools for trading. And here, this is where you get your trend line. Here, you see the name trend line. And then here, when you get to the place where you use Fibonacci, use Fibonacci. I favorited all these. These are the ones that I favorited here. All this, so the trend line, the rectangle box, and all of these, they are the ones that I use frequently when teaching. And then you have your text box here, where you use your text box, and you know, this is where you get your bus pattern down here when you get to that stage in level 4 of your technical analysis, and your data and price range. And then when you want to do your longer short position, you know, just for an extra to your chart, you can do that. You can either place that there. And then this is for measuring how far pips has gone. So if I want to say, oh, this did how many pips? Oh, 700 pips, you know, depending on how the broker is doing it. And for here, you are using things to lock whatever tool you are using. So if I'm using trend line, for example, as I've left the trend line, if I'm going to press anything on this screen again, trend line is going to come out. But if I remove this lock and I keep clicking the screen, there is no more trend line coming out, right? So I hope that makes sense to you. And then up here, you have all your time frames. Normally, you have only one, but I just favorited almost all the time frames just to have them up here. So I don't keep clicking for one to come out like this. So you can I can actually remove them, and they won't be there. But if you want, you can just favorite the major important ones that we are using, right? And here you have indicators. You know, the only indicator we use is for RSI. So you look for RSI, it's called the Relative Strength Index. This is where you look for your indicator. And here, this is where we change from our candlestick to a line chart, in case you want to draw your support and resistance on higher time frame. And here, on this side, this is where you have your watch list. So if you've seen me trade, you see that I come to this side. So I've created different watch lists for different purposes. So the major watch list is here, what I'm watching. And then these are the only things that I personally trade that is here. So also in this place, this is where you can see all the tools that you're using. So if I should bring out a trend line now, and I use a trend line, right, it's going to appear there. If I bring out a Fibonacci tool and I use it, it's going to appear there. So you can come here and either hide the tool, or you can leave it on your screen, or you can remove it completely. So how do you set your background also? You just right click on your computer and go to settings, you choose your candlestick color. So this is the body of the candlestick. You choose the color for the borders of your candlestick. Mine is like light blue. So the light blue, you are choosing for either your bearish candlesticks here and then your bullish candlestick here. So you just, click it. I think when you just log in, it will be red and green or something. So then you go to appearance and then you go to watermark. Your watermark might not be clean. It might not be clicked, rather, you click the watermark, and that's where it will show the AUDJPY sign is showing in the background. And then with your background, you can change your background color. It can be white, can be black, can be gradient, or anything you want it to be. It can be purple. So you just make it like anything you want it to be, right, with TradingView. And when you start to use your replay tool, this is the bar replay. I strongly suggest when you get to level 3 that you should upgrade your TradingView to the Pro, so you're able to back test. By back testing, we mean you are testing out your strategies and seeing how it works. So you're not waiting for the live markets. This will help you buy a lot of practice time. Do you understand? So I use this tool a lot. And then when you want to set your alert, let's say you want to set an alert or this trend line, when price gets here, you see this trend line here, you can reduce it. You can, go to style, you can go to text. So if you want to set the alert, you click on the trend line. See this here, this is called add alert. Okay, I have to remove this, add alert on that trend line. Then I always do once per minute so that it will keep every minute to be buzzing me. And then you can change the name of the trend line if you want and say break or whatever information you need it to give you. And it's going to buzz here and buzz on your phone. So that is a quick sweep on how to use TradingView. And one more thing, if you want to save your chart, you want to put your chart in full mode, put it here. But if you want to save your chart, let's say you want to save your chart to an assignment or something like that, just click on this camera screen here. You can save this chart image. It will automatically download on your laptop. You can copy this link. If you want to copy your link to, this is how I send, to Telegram groups. You want to copy your link, just click on copy link to the chat, or tweet your chat, or do whatever you want it to do. So once you save this chart, yeah, you can, or copy chart image, right? You can actually create a folder on your laptop or anywhere just to save your chart by yourself. Just to save your chart and have records of everything that is happening. So that's a quick guide on how to use your TradingView. I'll see you in the next video.